Hey everybody, thanks for checking me out. Just going to give you guys a quick little startup example of how I get my fire started. I want you to do it. The temperature itself should, the fire, the coal should stay good enough so you didn't have to do this. Unless you run out of wood. You have to do a fresh new restart. So over here I got some kindling over here I picked up. Just laying around from the busted up trees. I split some wood yesterday. I got a tarp that's supposed to start raining a little bit later. So this is really going to help you out getting your fire going. A propane torch. It's got a little button on the side that starts up the to get it going. These little bricks work super good. You get these bricks at Walmart. You might say they're expensive, but realistically, this box I had for like 3 years now, and I still haven't gone through it. I use 2 bricks to start it up. If you guys got some paper, that also helps out, or some cardboard. Then just use your Boy Scouting skills to make the fire, and then put some bigger pieces of wood on top of your kindling, and you should be good to go. I got my little torch going. I'll show you, just made some wood, I stacked it up. I'm going to make this smaller so you guys can see a little bit better. So I just pile up some wood. There's the brick right there. Also, I forgot to mention too, if you can find a box like this, in particular, all these little starting log bricks. If you just get like one of those big logs that they'll sell, just take that big log and cut it into 3 little pieces so you get 3 little startups out of it. So I'm going to put this on and let this go for a little bit. I'll keep an eye on it because a couple years ago with my Taylor stove, I got carried away starting it, and I had a nicer propane top trigger action one, and I wasn't paying attention, and I melted the whole plastic handle on it. So good thing there was no fire with the propane bottle. So it's just something to keep an eye on to be safe. But that's all you got to do. Before I forget, I got to turn my stove on and see what the temperature is. So I got nothing going on inside my little compartment on the side. Turns it on. The door just kicked open. You heard the door click. I'm at 87 degrees. Right now that's the water temperature. And it's been out now probably for 4 days. It's a little early in the season to use it for me, the stove in particular. I usually don't start like I said Thanksgiving, but it's been chilly up here lately, and we're expecting some lake effect rain. And also, don't forget to take the cap off if you got a cap, like a plastic bucket on top of your chimney. Don't forget to do that.